All right, we have arrived. Look at that. The National Farm Machinery Show. Yee-hee! We gonna see tractors, trailers, lawnmowers. I'm probably gonna get in trouble.
I thought we were supposed to see garden
And everything. Well, I told you that to get you to come. There ain't no garden stuff. It's a farm machinery show. Does it say landscape, garden, hobby store? No. It says farm. Farm. So
You don't have a farm yet.
we're 3 hours away, so it's, unless you want to walk home, you're just going to spend the day with me looking at tractors.
I got.
But anyhow, y'all have fun. Gonna meet Phil with Peterson Farms of Nashville. Him and Tammy. I think he told Tammy the same thing too. But anyhow, so I'd say we'll end up getting in trouble sometime before the weekend's over. Y'all have a good one. We're gonna get in here and we'll start showing you guys what we're seeing. First time I've been here. I'm so excited. I'm like a little kid on Christmas. I don't know about you guys. Outdoor adventure is breaking. They coming to open up. All the people moving. I see them moving. Something's happening. Are you having fun yet? Huh? There's the wife. Yeah, she's having fun. You know she is. Yeah. Beginning of it. It opens at 9 o'clock. It's a little bit early. So we're gonna go. Okay. Here we go. Look at the joy on her face. Look at it. Oh man. '23 T474 TYM, just like mine, just a cab. So, pretty nice machine. A bit different color on the wheels. Got the cab. Got the radio, AC, heat, rear windshield wipers. Got the nice seat. Nice looking tractor. It's got the rear remotes. Got the leveler, which will got locked. This is the new design with the new hood. Mine don't have that little screen thing on it. $48.20. It's got a lot of lights on it. Here we are at the Dixie Choppers. Z2. Z2 HP. Not bad looking. Got the Kawasaki motors. Blackhawk. Blackhawk HP. Eagle SS. Eagle HP there. Then we're going all American. Look at that paint job.
I don't need to go. Color or Dan, that would be so cool.
Then we have electric. There's the Talon RC. Look at this. Big old electric motors on that. This is the Dixie booth at the National Farm Machinery Show. Right up there. Bush hog booth. Bad Boy Rogue. What I got at home. The newer model, mine's a couple years old. Kawasaki motor. Haven't really changed it much. Why I changed it, there's nothing wrong with it. That boy tractor. That boy exhibit. Rebel. We got another Renegade.
I don't, yeah, I think it's going that way a lot more.
Hey.
That boy 40 horse with cab. Here we are at the Coyote booth.
Yeah, screw it. Next year we can get one of these. We can double it. Yeah.
Hodgstaff 2520. It's 2620. SL 750 skid loader. $47.20. SE wrap on it. Here we are at the MDS. There's a you got to have a pretty good sized tractor. About 4. Carry on.
It's not recognized.
Big Kubota. Kubota booth. Okay, I think that's going to about wrap it up for the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville. Hope you all enjoyed it. We'll be back next year. This first time, and really enjoyed it. There's a lot of stuff to look at. So, y'all be safe, be good. We'll see you next time.